Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you about a JavaScript library which is called as Alertifyjs. With the help of this library you can create pretty browser dialogues and notification alerts in JavaScript. So this is the official website of this library, and there are various examples given for this library. So this is a basic alert box you can make with this library. This is an alert dialog. This is a confirm box. You can see that this is a confirm dialog, and similarly it has also a prompt dialog. If you want to take some input from the user, you can just have this prompt dialog. And for the notifications we have this dialogues of success and error. So if you want to have a success message, you can like this, and if you have to have a warning or error, you can see these are the error and the warning messages. So we will be looking at this library from scratch. So let's start. First of all, you need to make an index.html file, and here you just need to write the basic HTML. And let me just give it a brief title of Alertifyjs Example in JavaScript. And first of all, you need to include the style sheet and the script tags for this library. So you can just go to cdnjs.com, and here you can just search for Alertifyjs, and here you will get all the required libraries. So first of all, we will grab the CSS, make a style tag here after the title, and this link relative will be style sheet, and the href will be equal to this style sheet. So we have successfully imported the style sheet, and now we need to import the script tag. So here we will be having our script. So let me just copy it. So alertify main.js, so just copy it, and you need to have the script source will be equal to this one, and close the script. And now we have successfully imported our Alertify component, and now we just need to display a simple Alertify box here. So for that we will be writing the custom JavaScript. So here we just need to initialize our Alertify library. So if you go to the documentation, it has various tutorials that you can have. In order to display a very simple Alertify dialog, you will be calling this Alertify library, and there is an alert method out there in this library, and here you will pass your message. This is an alert dialog. This takes a callback function, and inside your message you display OK. And now if I refresh the browser, if I go to the console, if I refresh it, so you will see that, guys, it has successfully imported this Alertifyjs. This is an alert dialog. If I click OK, you will see that. So this is a basic Alertify dialog that we have made here in this tutorial. If you want to make the confirm box, let me also show you how to do that. Just paste the code here. This time we will be using the confirm method, and this is a confirm dialog. You can see that this takes a callback function, and again we are calling this success method and passing OK. In case of error, we are calling this error method. Now if I refresh it, you will see that this is a confirm dialog. If I click cancel, this is an error message which take place, which has the, now if I click OK, this will be success. You can see that greenish color is there. So if you want to take some input, you can use the prompt one. You can see that you can use the prompt method of this library. This is a prompt dialog. You can provide a default value here. Let's suppose I change this default value to hello world. If you don't provide a value, it will take this default value. And now in order to have a success message. We again using success and error depending upon whether OK was clicked or cancel was clicked. And now if I refresh it, you will see that this is a prompt dialog and it has provided the default value of hello world. I can change this value, let's suppose to hello world 2, and click on OK. You will see that this value is printed out along with the success message. So in this way you can extract the value from the prompt using this value which is passed in the callback function, and you print out in this using this value variable. And lastly guys, if you want to have some notifications, you can just use a very simple success and error message of this library. So you call alertify.success and you pass the success message. Hi, this is a success message. If you want to display error, you can just call alertify error. Hi, this is a error message. Now if I run this, you will see that this is a success message and this is a error message. So in this video guys, we have seen the basic overview of this Alertifyjs library. There are many more methods available. You can go to the components here. You can read the whole documentation. It is there on alertifyjs.com, and it is a good library that you can import it in your any sort of project that you are building in programming. So I will highly recommend that you check out alertifyjs.com. So thanks very much guys for watching this video. I will be seeing you in the next video.